Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Exotic Noods. Exotic Noods is a purveyor of subscription boxes with all sorts of neat international varieties of instant noodles inside. You can head on over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. I don't think this is one of their subscription boxes. I remember Dan over there said he was going to send me something. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, rad. That's funny. I already got this one. Thanks, though. This one's good. This is Sesanood by Sesa Ole, and this is their Say Spicy Sesame Noodle. So this is it's a Taiwanese dry noodle that's got all this kind of like kitsch going on with being sesame, and sesame paste is really like very standard over there. But they're trying to market it in the US, and this one's really good. If you see this, it's definitely worth a try. And then here's the other one. This is cool. I've been wanting to try this Bullhead brand for a long time, and here is a multi-pack of it. Thanks, dude. Yeah, so this, I keep seeing it at the local Asian grocery I frequent, and they want like $14 for one of these multi-packs of it, and I just can't do it. It's very hard for me to get on board with getting a multi-pack of anything, just due to the fact that I only need maybe one, maybe two for reviewing. For me, it's a lot easier to have one to dismantle, to photograph, to scan, and then chuck that, and then have another one that I crack open fresh for the episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and for the review itself. This covers all that and more. So thank you very much. Yeah, you should go check out exoticnoods.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. They've got really neat boxes, and what's neat is if you haven't tried a lot of instant noodles, his picks are spot on. There's stuff to appeal for everybody, and they're quick. They're in the US, so it's not a long wait for a box. And yeah, you can definitely, if you're trying to feel out what kind of noodles you're gonna like and you don't know what to pick at the store, yeah, his boxes are definitely what you're looking for, because they represent a multinational. There's Korean ones, Thai ones, Chinese ones, Taiwanese ones, and they it's a nice mix. Whereas most boxes will either be, most boxes will just be Japanese, either like standard Japanese or super premium, pricier Japanese stuff. But yeah, check them out. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Big thanks, man. I'm stoked. Have a good one. Bye.